August Wi-Fi smart lock. Why you should buy this product? Newest smart lock with built-in Wi-Fi. Upgrade with a keypad touch bundle for added fingerprint access or keypad bundle for custom key code entry. Smart features like remote access, auto lock and unlock. Your existing keys still work and you can lock or unlock with your smartphone or Apple Watch and the August app. More details, click the video description links. Quickset Hello Touch Fingerprint Wi-Fi Smart Lock. Why you should buy this product? Lock and unlock your door with the latest fingerprint access technology. Manage Hello Touch from the Quickset app from anywhere there's an internet connection. No hub required by connecting directly to your home Wi-Fi network. Enroll up to 100 fingerprints. Featuring smart key security which protect against advanced break-in techniques and allows you to rekey your lock yourself in seconds. Certified highest residential security, durability and finish NSI or BSMA or grade AAA. Create, disable and delete fingerprints from your smartphone using the Quickset app. View the lock's event history from your smartphone using the Quickset app. Works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Set schedules for customized access from your smartphone using the Quickset app. Requires 4 AA batteries included. Easily installs in minutes with just a screwdriver. More details, click the video description links. Ultra Lock Bolt Fingerprint Smart Lock. Why you should buy this product? Remote access, no extras. Built-in Wi-Fi means no additional hubs or accessories required. DIY fits your door. Replace deadbolt on most US doors. No wires, no drills. Fingerprint recognition. Advanced biometric technology ensures security and convenience. Control your way. Works with Apple Home, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant. More details, click the video description links. U5 S330 Video Smart Lock. Why you should buy this product? Ways to unlock. Fingerprint, app, the Google Assistant, Alexa, keypad and keys. Fingerprint recognition, up to 50 fingerprints. Fast, recognition within 0.3 seconds. Accurate, recognition pass rate 98%. Dual motion sensors. Radar motion sensors, PIR motion sensors. Triple detection. People detection, living detection, lingering detection. Auto lock. Smart auto lock with built-in door sensors. Audio 2-way. Video quality. Front camera 2K. Video storage. Local storage on Chime. No monthly fee. SD card required. Recording estimate based on 25 recordings per day. Each lasting 15 seconds. Hardware standard. BSMA certification. More details, click the video description links. Lock leaf, V says Zeno series facial recognition deadbolt smart lock. Why you should to buy this product? Built-in Wi-Fi, keyless entry, facial recognition, Apple Home Key, news and biometric fingerprint, Pin Genie keypad, smartphone control, scan to open, rechargeable battery, manage from Lockly Home app. Description: These products. Lockly V6 is an award-winning Wi-Fi smart lock featuring industry-first facial recognition unlocking. Combined with radar technology, simply approach your door to unlock. Featuring your latest 3D biometric fingerprint sensor with embedded AI learning and Apple Home keys to unlock with iPhone and Apple Watch. Control your door with Siri, Hey Google or Alexa. Lock and unlock managed through free Lockly Home app without monthly subscription for best-in-class smart home experience. More details, click the video description links.